we present AnimHost, a node-based open-source application and workflow designed for flexible, artist-friendly, AI-powered motion generation using traceable training data. AnimHost utilizes Tracer, a software-agnostic communication infrastructure and toolset that serves as open-source foundation framework to create a real-time capable asset pipeline. Let's take a look at the workflow. First, we launch AnimHost and load a pre-saved scene. The node setup includes network nodes managing incoming communication from the DCC application. Data processing nodes define the character structure and control paths. The animation generation node, which loads a pre-trained neural network. With everything set up, we start our DCC application. In this implementation, we use Blender. Next, we import the FBX file of the character. The same FBX must be loaded in AnimHost to ensure validity. Then we create a tracer scene in Blender. A key component here is the control path, a series of objects defining positions and directions. Once the scene is ready, we connect to Tracer, which transmits the scene state to AnimHost and requests a new animation. AnimHost then processes the scene, samples the control path, generates a dense animation and sends it back to Blender. In Blender, we can play back and scrub through the animation using the timeline. If the result is satisfying, it can be baked to a new animation track for further refinement. Using this layered data approach, as common when working with motion capture data, the animation artist can fine-tune the result and therefore maintain artistic freedom. We evaluated this workflow with a professional animation artist through the creation of the 3D short film Survivor. The workflow could successfully be used in 1/3 of the shots, resulting in an increase of efficiency while preserving maximum artistic freedom. In a more future-oriented scenario, we evaluated the use in an immersive interactive environment with tablets. The key idea here is to investigate if and how animation blocking could be elevated to the next level of collaboration with all creative roles involved. Thank you for your attention.